Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Doble Beach and Seminyak Beach on the weekend November 2021. So if you want to know how the session like that at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, did you read the notice on the board? Yeah, they say you cannot swim with the shark. Sorry, just kidding. It's mean like you cannot swim in between red flag and yellow flag because sometimes the waves come so strong. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay, today we will explore Seminyak Beach and Doble Beach on the weekend in November 2021. Okay, now we are in Doble Beach. It's look quite busy, isn't it? There's a lot of people going to the beach. You see the tourist kid playing on the beach, and you see the girl, they want to make photo for their Instagram. Looks so fun, isn't it? So far in this area still look busy. Yeah, it will become more busy when the sunset almost down. But now still around 5 p.m. So the sunset will come in around 30 minutes. Doble Beach and Seminyak Beach just close each other. So that's why it's like connecting beach and always busy during on the weekend because there is a lot of locals come to the beach to play like a picnic. And also on the weekend there is a lot local tourism. I mean domestic, they come to Bali to make vacation. And I'm really happy because today I also see the tourists, they go to this beach. Yeah, there is some tourists going to this beach. You see at the front, right side? Yeah, there's like a couple of tourists. They go to the beach. And if you see today on this beach, it looks so busy, isn't it? Yeah, now we are in Seminyak Beach. You see the tourists? Yeah, that's really good. The weather today is not so clear, so it's mean like will be not really good for sunset today. But I just really happy because there is a lot of people going to the beach like a picnic, waiting for sunset. Yeah, there is another two tourists playing bodyboard on the video. Oh, really awesome. That's really good. I'm gonna say like today there is a lot of tourists come to the beach actually. And also on the Seminyak Beach you can hire the horse, so you can riding the horse on the beach during the sunset. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video if you don't mind, because there is a lot of people missing the situation in Bali actually. And there is a lot of tourists around the world missing the sunset in Bali. You see the cafe left side? Yeah, there is we call La Plancha. Always busy up there. And also there is a fisherman use the net to catch the fish on Seminyak Beach. It is looks so busy, isn't it? On the end of this video, I will show you how many car and motorbike parking in this area, because usually on the weekend the parking will be really full. Yeah, it is cafe with live music. Good place to waiting for sunset. And also this is another cafe with live music. You see some people at the front, they play guitar. That's really awesome. It's very beautiful around here to see the sunset. Yeah, but the sunset today is not so clear. But I'm really happy because there is a lot of color from the sky. Like golden time, but we still can see the blue sky. Okay guys, now we back to Double 6 Beach. In Double 6 Beach also looks so busy, isn't it? Yeah, there's a lot local come to the beach today. And also, you see, there's the kid from the tourists, they play surfing. That's really good fun. I think he is only like 8 years old. Yeah, there's the boat, they go to Gibran Bay, to the fishing village right there. So what do you think about Seminyak Beach and Double 6 Beach today? It is looks so busy, isn't it? Yeah, that's really good. That's really awesome. I'm really happy to see that because when there is a lot of people come down the beach, it's meant this pandemic will be over as soon as possible. And Balinese business get rise up again like before, like a normal life. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Seminyak Beach and Double 6 Beach during the sunset time. And now we will see together how busy the motorbike and car parking outside the beach. Yeah, there is another tourist just come to the beach to see the sunset. Kumala Pantai at the front left side, there is some people there. They are already open. After for a long time they close. I'm really happy. Okay guys, now we will see together how busy the car and motorbike on this beach. Okay, now we are outside the beach and we will see together how many car and motorbike parking in this area, how busy they are. Yeah, actually today just we see the parking area in Double 6 Beach because in Seminyak Beach it will be look the same. Right side and left side there's a lot of car parking and motorbike parking. Looks so busy, isn't it? Imagine there is a lot of motorbike parking in this area. How many people going to the beach today? It just looks so busy. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Seminyak Beach and Double 6 Beach. And if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, also you can share this video. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.